Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing what to capture and why. That guides the shortcut you'll use. Make sure your Mac keyboard is accessible and any full-screen apps are visible. For a full-screen shot, press Command-Shift-3. For a selection, press Command-Shift-4. For a window, press Command-Shift-4 then space. Once done, screenshot save to the desktop by default. If you need the file elsewhere, hold Ctrl to copy to the clipboard instead, which lets you paste into another app instantly. Now you'll capture a specific area or a single window precisely. Press Command-Shift-4 to change the cursor to a crosshair, then click-drag to define the selection. Hold Shift or Option to lock edges or center the grab for cleaner composition. To grab a window, press Command-Shift-4 then space, hover over the window to highlight, and click. This method gives you control over pixels and avoids cropping later. Make sure to wait a beat if a menu animation is playing. Finish by locating your image on the desktop or pasting from the clipboard if you used Control. For more options like timers, screen recording, or changing save location, open the Screenshot app with Command-Shift-5. If a capture doesn't appear, check that the shortcut keys aren't remapped in system settings and verify desktop or chosen folder isn't full. Also confirm screen recording or files and folders permissions under privacy if an app-based capture is being blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.